lights are bright, the night is warm. Your love is here, it takes new form. My feet can't stop, my heart's alive. Your spirit moves, I come alive. The rhythm calls, I feel your peace. The chains are gone, I'm finally free. The joy you bring will never fade. I dance upon the grace you made. I won't stay silent, I won't hide. Your fire burns from deep inside. Dancing in grace, hearts on fire, lifting your name higher and higher. Every beat, every sound sings your love that knows no bound. Down, down, down. Dancing in grace, we are free. All for you, eternally. Every smile, every face shining bright in waves of grace. The sunrise paints the clouds with gold. Your faithfulness will not grow old. The world rejoices, hearts renewed. Creation sings, God, you are good. The laughter rings, the crowd unites. Your spirit floods these city lights. The sound of hope begins to play. We're dancing free in endless praise. I feel the wind, I hear the sound of heaven's joy all around. Dancing in grace, hearts on fire, lifting your name higher and higher. Every beat, every sound sings your love that knows no bound. Dancing in grace, we are free. All for you, eternally. Every smile, every face shining bright in waves of grace. The night is young, the stars align. Your glory moves in space and time. Every tear is turned to joy. Every heart you now employ. Dancing in grace, we're alive. Faith and love electrify. Every beat, every flame glorifies your holy name. Dancing in grace, we are free. Heaven moves in melody. Every heart, every face burns forever in your grace. Dancing in grace. The night is bright, your love shines through. The stars align because of you. The heavens sing, the crowd lifts high. Your glory lights the midnight sky. The rhythm beats, my heart's awake. The chains are gone, the ground will shake. I raise my hands, I shout your name, forever free. I'll praise the same. Light the fire, let it glow. Let the world and heavens know. Shine forever, holy flame. Every soul will praise your name. Through the dark, through the night, you're the source of endless light. Shine forever, never fade. fire within begins to show. Your spirit moves, your people rise. We see your glory in our eyes. Shine forever, we are free. Heaven sings in harmony. Every flame, every cry sends your praise across the sky. Shine forever, bright and true. All the light comes back to you. Every star, every soul burns your name and makes us you still glow. The morning breaks, the shadows fade. Your mercy shines, the world remade. The air is clear, the sky's alive. Your spirit breathes, my soul revived. The colors rise across the sea. Creation joins in melody. I lift my hands, I lift my eyes. I see your glory fill the skies. Every dawn your love remains, lighting hope through joy and pain. Rise of glory, shine so high. Lift our hearts to touch the sky. Every voice, every flame sings the power of your name. Rise of glory, day begun. Faith awakens with the sun. Every tear, every cry turns to praise and the light reflects on every face, a brand new dawn of endless grace. The ocean moves, the heavens sing, the earth is new in everything. Your love restores what's been undone, a victory rising with the sun. From broken hearts to holy ground, salvation's song is all around. Every soul begins to rise, shining bright before my eyes. Rise of glory, shine so high. shining strong. The earth awakens, hearts arise. Your spirit burns across the skies. The sound of joy, the air so clean. The hope of heaven floods the scene. I lift my eyes, I feel you near. The dawn of faith is finally here. I'm alive, I'm not the same. Your mercy runs through every flame. Daybreak of faith, we come alive. Rising hope beneath the sky. Every tear, every pain washed away in your name. Daybreak of faith, hearts ignite. Shining love in morning light. Every soul, every sound, heaven's fire all around. The golden glow upon the waves reminds the world of love that saves. The rhythm moves, the world is new. Creation sings because of you. The drums of joy, the hearts that beat, awaken grace beneath our feet. The day begins, the night is done. Your victory shines like the sun. Your kingdom comes, your truth remains. Your glory running through our veins. Daybreak of faith, we come alive. Rising hope beneath the sky. Every tear, every pain washed away in your name. Daybreak of faith, hearts ignite. Shining love in morning light. Every soul, every sound, heaven's fire all around. The night is gone, I'm born anew. I see the world in shades of you. Every breath a song of grace. I find my life within your face. Daybreak of faith, we rise again. Every soul says amen. Every light, every flame burns the power of your name. Daybreak of faith, pure and free. You are all we'll ever need. Every sound, every sky sings your glory, lifted The dawn will rise, the world will say, our faith is new. This is your day. The wind is strong, the sea is wide. I feel your spirit in the tide. The waves are moving, hearts awake. A holy storm that you create. The water shines, the night is clear. Your power draws me closer here. I hear the sound of heaven's voice. It calls my soul to rise, rejoice. And like the tide, you pull me near. Your mercy flows, my heart can't soul awaken now. Your presence falls, we make this vow. Let your waves roll through this place. Holy fire, unending grace. Every soul awaken now. Your presence falls, we make this vow. Spirit tide, flood the ground. Every heart in you is found. Every flame, every sound. Heaven's love is all around. Spirit tide, pure and free. You are all we'll ever need. Every wave, every cry shouts your glory to the sky. The tide will rise, your truth remains, your spirit flows through all my veins. A wave arise, the waters sing. I feel the pull of everything. The tide of love, the breath of peace. A sea of grace that won't release. The ocean shines, the stars align. Your spirit moves beyond the line. The shore is washed in holy sound. Your mercy flows, I'm glory bound. And every wave calls out your name. Forevermore you'll stay the same. Sea of grace, you carry me far beyond eternity. Every storm, every tide pulls me closer to your side. Sea of grace, deep and wide. Heaven's rhythm turns the tide. Every sound, every hue sings of all you're bringing through. The waters crash, but I still stand, held in the palm of your great hand. The winds may roar, but I still know your peace will calm the undertow. The light reflects across the sea. Your glory shines inside of me. The ocean's heart begins to glow. Your spirit flows, it overflows. The tide of love keeps pulling near. Your voice is all I long to hear. Sea of grace, you carry me far beyond eternity. Every storm, every tide pulls me closer to your side. Sea of grace, deep and wide. Heaven's rhythm turns the tide. Every sound, stars align above the sea, the gentle light surrounding me. The wind is soft, the world is still. I feel your love, I know your will. The night is deep, the heavens sing, my soul restored in everything. I lift my hands, my heart released. The sky is wide, my soul's at peace. Every breath I take tonight shines within your holy light. Stars of faith burning bright, guide me through this endless night. Every tear, every prayer finds your mercy shining there. Stars of faith, pure and true, all creation worships you. Every sound, every flame glorifies your holy The silver moon begins to rise, reflecting heaven in my eyes. The ocean hums a gentle tune beneath the light of sacred moon. The air is warm, the night divine. Your voice is peace, your heart is mine. I walk in grace, I walk in truth, surrounded by eternal proof. I see your light, I feel you near. Every shadow disappears. Stars of faith burning bright, guide me through this endless night. Every tear, every prayer finds your mercy shining there. Stars of faith, pure and true, all creation worships you. Every sound, every flame glorifies your holy name. You turn the dark into a song. You've been my light the whole night long. The sky declares, the stars agree. Your grace is all I'll ever need. Stars of faith shine so high, fill the earth and paint the sky. Every flame, every cry lifts your praise and sanctifies. Stars of faith never fade. You are love the heavens made. Every soul, every sound glorifies your grace profound. Glorifies your grace profound. The night will fade, but not your flame. Forever shine, my star. is still, the stars awake. I see your light begin to break. The heavens glow, the earth will sing. Our hearts alive in everything. Your spirit moves from heart to heart, igniting faith in every part. The air is warm, your love ascends, a song of joy that never ends. And I can feel your glory fall. It's rising up, consuming us. Glory rising through the night. Fill the world with holy light. Every flame, every sound lifts your spirit all around. Glory rising, pure and free. Heaven moves inside of me. Every soul, every cry shines your name across the sky. Glory rising, the rhythm builds, the crowd's alive. Your kingdom here, your fire revived. The ground is shaking, hearts ignite. Our praise becomes the morning light. From shore to shore, your truth resounds, a song of grace that knows no bounds. Your presence floods this holy space, our souls renewed by endless grace. The sky erupts in light and flame. Every breath declares your name. Glory rising through the night. Fill the world with holy light. Every flame, every sound lifts your spirit all around. Glory rising, pure and free. Heaven moves inside of me. Every soul, every cry shines your name across the sky. Rising, you lift me up where stars collide. I see your beauty magnified. The night grows still, but I'm awake. My heart renewed for heaven's sake. Glory rising, hearts unite, shining love and endless light. Every dream, every flame burns the echo of your name. Glory rising, pure and true. All creation worships you. Every sound, every cry glorifies the Lord Most high. Glory rising. The stars remain. The night is clear. Your glory rising.